This is one of the finest tools I've ever seen. No other AI platform offers this many features in one place. This AI tool is truly all-in-one. You can create AI images, AI videos, auto subtitles, voice cloning, and access full video editing features. You don't need multiple subscriptions anymore. Alright, let's dive into a quick tutorial. This is FlexClip AI. Go to Google and search for it. Click on the first website. Now you'll see the dashboard. Here you'll find tons of incredible AI features. But first, log in with your Google account. As you can see, there are different kinds of templates available. You can use them for business, wedding videos, YouTube content, and much more. Honestly, I've never seen any AI platform offering this many features in one place. And if you look here, it also supports powerful models like Sora 2, Veo 3, Kling AI, and more. Now let's start with script to complete video. Click on AI text to video. Here, you can either generate a script using AI or use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. I'll use a short script and paste it here. It automatically separates scenes from the script. Now you can choose a video style. Cinematic, studio shot, vector, 3D, anime, sci-fi. There are many options available. You can also use the stock library. Next, select your preferred voice and subtitle style.
Many think that the people you list as references.
Yes, it is a big achievement to be accepted.
Then hit generate. And just like that, your video is ready.
The heavy door clicks shut. You're home alone. You toss your keys on the counter and head to the bathroom to splash cold water on your face. The house is dead silent, the kind of quiet that feels heavy in your ears. As you lean over the sink, eyes closed.
I think the video looks pretty cool. The quality is decent, and different styles can give you completely different results. The best part? You can edit everything right here. On the right side, you'll find templates, media, audio, video, and effects to fully customize your video. Let me quickly add an effect to show you how easy it is. And once you're done, you can export your video directly from here. Now you can create AI videos from both text and images. Let me show you. Click on AI Video Generator. Here, I'll upload a random photo to animate it. You can also adjust framing. Write your prompt here. Choose the video duration and turn on AI SFX for sound. Then hit generate. And as you can see, the output is quite satisfying. If you found this useful, a like or share helps more than you think. And subscribe if you want more tools like this without wasting time.